India became independent from the British rule. It reminds us of the sacrifices of the freedom fighters. On this day, we should remember a great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Netaji, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Rani Lakshmibai, and many others devoted their entire life for the independence of our country. Today we are fortunate that we are born in an independent country and we have our own fundamental rights. Our freedom is priceless and our brave soldiers fight continuously on borders to protect our country. Independence Day teaches us the power of unity and brotherhood. I am very proud to be an Indian. We should always respect our country. Freedom is our right and independence is our pride. दे सलामी इस तिरंगे को जिससे तेरी शान है, सर हमेशा ऊंचा रखना इसका जब तक दिल में जान है। जय हिंद, जय भारत, वंदे मातरम। Thank you. Have a nice day.
Of India's Independence Day, today we gather to celebrate the remarkable journey of our nation towards freedom. This year, the 78th Independence Day 2024 is being celebrated with the Bharat, which means Developed India. This theme reflects the Indian government's vision to transform the country into a developed nation by 2047, which will be the 100th anniversary of independence. It's a day that echoes with the sacrifices of countless heroes who fought tirelessly for our liberty. As we look back, August 15, 1947 marked the end of British colonial rule. Jawaharlal Nehru became the first Indian Prime Minister to raise the national flag at Red Fort near Delhi's Lahore Gate. A struggle for independence was not just a political movement. On this auspicious day, let us remember and pay homage to those who laid down their lives for the cause of freedom. Their sacrifices have paved the way for the India we know today, diverse, vibrant and resilient. Indian Independence Day is not just about the past, it's also a time to reflect on the present and visualize a future as citizens of this great nation.
First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. I feel great pride to present this speech. This day is most important for all of us because on this day in 1947, we got independence from the British rule. Friends, our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh and many others devoted their entire lives for the freedom of our country. Today we are fortunate that we are born in independent country and we have our own fundamental rights. Our freedom is priceless and our brave soldiers fight continuously on borders to protect our country. Friends, we all know that no nation is perfect, it needs to be made perfect. So, it's our responsibility to perform our duty and progress together for the growth and development of our country. Surely, the day is for when our country will be powerful and strong in every field. देशभक्त से ही देश की शान है, देशभक्त से ही देश की मान है। हम उस देश के फूल हैं यारो जिस देश का नाम हिंदुस्तान है। हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे टू ऑल ऑफ यू। जय हिंद, जय भारत।